Welcome to our guide on how to search for something from all pins on Pinterest using your PC. With the latest updates, Pinterest has made it easier than ever to find the content you're looking for. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your web browser and navigate to Pinterest.com. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up or log in to access all the features. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a clean and user-friendly interface designed for easy navigation. Next, look for the search bar at the top of the page. This is where the magic happens. Click on the search bar and type in what you are searching for. Whether it's a specific recipe, home decor ideas, or fashion inspiration, be as descriptive as possible to get the best results. After entering your search term, take a moment to notice the options available next to the search bar. Here, you will see a drop-down menu that allows you to refine your search. Click on this menu and select All Pins. This option ensures that your search results will include every pin related to your query, giving you a comprehensive view of what Pinterest has to offer. Once you've selected all pins, hit Enter or click on the magnifying glass icon. Pinterest will now display a variety of pins related to your search term. You can scroll through these pins and explore different ideas and inspirations that match what you're looking for. If you want to narrow down your results further, consider using additional filters available on the left side of the screen. You can filter by categories such as videos, shopping, or even specific boards related to your interests. As you browse through the pins, remember that each one is linked to its source. If something catches your eye, click on it to learn more, or save it for later. Pinterest is not just about finding ideas, it's about discovering new content that resonates with you. In summary, searching for something on Pinterest using your PC is straightforward. Open Pinterest.com, use the search bar to enter your query, select all pins from the drop-down menu, and explore the vast array of results available. Happy pinning!